Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone Blade A75 5G with sky mirror glass design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus punch hole live island display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, 86% screen to body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, 266 ppi pixel density, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel punch hole cutout front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core up to 2.2 GHz, powered by Unisoc T760 chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.6 by 74.9 by 8.6 mm, and it weighs around 189.7 grams, and the color options, diamond black, mint green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Blade A75 5G has been priced in Philippines for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 5,450 Philippine pesos. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this ZTE Blade A75 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.